So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn screen rotation on or off on iPhone. This is actually one of the most easiest settings you have on your phone. So yeah, let's get started. So depending on what iPhone you have, this may be different, but basically when you're on a iPhone X, XS, XR, an 11, just like that, and you have the full screen, you want to swipe from the top right to the bottom, just like this, and then turn this icon on or off, just like this. And if you have an iPhone that still has the what's it called, home button, you just have to swipe from the bottom to the top, just like this, and then that will open up this same tab, and then click on the same icon, just like this, and that is all you have to do. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.